Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy C Will, back to you with another video. Super excited today. Why? Because as you can see behind me, we got some new stuff. We got a build coming up. AMD finally. Man, I've been waiting on this. I sold Nite Ryder. Let's have a moment of silence for Nite Ryder. So I sold Nite Ryder and I had to get another system. So we got the 3900X, we got the Asus X570, Crosshair Hero 8 with Wi-Fi. We also have an 850 watt power supply through Corsair. We got the NZXT H510 Elite, and then we have 16 gigabytes with the DDR4 3600 megahertz memory. We have the NZXT Kraken X62 280 millimeter cooler AIO, and we also have a 500 gigabyte 970 Evo NVMe drive that we're going to be using for our boot drive. So we also have the beast, the MSI RTX 2080 Super Gaming X Trio. That's a long name for a graphics card. But man, that's a beast of a graphics card. I didn't go with a 2080 Ti this time. To be honest with you, if you're building a computer, this is the graphics card that you need to get because there are new cards that's coming out. So if you're building a computer right now and you were looking to get a 2080 Ti, don't waste your money on it. You know, even $749 is still a lot of money, but it's not as much as $1,249. So yeah, that's the graphics card that we got. So I'm missing a couple of things. We're still waiting on for some more parts to come, but I definitely need to go ahead and get this build up so I can edit the video. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and hit the bell so you receive all my notifications. I appreciate all the support. Appreciate you all following me. Follow me on all forms of social media. That is Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And also don't forget to hit the invite link for our Discord. It's growing. We have tons of talk about everything, tech, bills, and all that good stuff. And also people ask me a ton of questions and I don't mind answering them. Now we're gonna do a time lapse today of this build. Let's get into it.